In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean order history in Aliexpress. If your order list feels cluttered and you want a cleaner dashboard, this walkthrough will show you how to remove completed orders from view when the option is available, keeping everything simple and organized. Start by opening your browser and going to aliexpress.com. Sign in to your account using your usual login method. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're signed in to the correct account where your orders were placed. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click Account. This is your main hub for personal settings and purchase activity. From there, select My Orders. This page lists everything you've bought, along with their current status. Now locate the completed order you want to tidy up. If you have a long history, use the filters or search box to narrow things down. Sorting by completed can help you zero in quickly, and searching by product name or store can save time if you remember what you're looking for. When you found the order you want to remove from your list, look for the Delete Order button or link on that order's row. This option typically appears only for orders that are fully completed and have no open disputes or pending actions. If you see Delete Order, click it. You may be asked to confirm your choice. Proceed if you're sure. Deleting here removes the order from your visible history in your account, helping you keep things neat. It does not cancel the purchase, issue a refund, or affect any warranties or messages you've already exchanged with the seller. A quick tip before you delete: if you'll need the order details later for returns, taxes, or record keeping, consider downloading the invoice or taking a screenshot first. Once an order is removed from your list, bringing it back can be difficult or impossible. If you don't see the delete order option, that usually means the order isn't eligible for removal at this time. Common reasons include recent purchases still within a protection window, active disputes, or platform restrictions. In that case, keep the order as is and check back later if needed. That's all there is to it. Go to aliexpress.com and log in, open account, choose My Orders, find the completed order you want to tidy up, and click Delete Order when it's available. Repeat these steps for any other entries you want to clean up. When you're done, you can simply continue shopping or sign out if you're on a shared device.